Like this beat.
If in love is a love right here.
Hey girls, welcome back to my motherfucking channel. Stay tuned if you want to see me slay the fuck out this frontal. Just showing you guys the hair I'm going to be using. It's a 28-inch loose deep wave hair. I got it from my AliExpress vendor. Yeah, so this is my stocking cap method. I like to use like actual stockings and just cut the foot off and use it as my stocking cap. And then I'm just cutting my ears out just so obviously it lays really good. And I'm going to lay it down with my Got To Be spray. So I'm using my finger basically to guide me. Now I'm just tying down the area I sprayed. So once that's dry, I'm taking off the head tie I had and I'm just going to cut the excess stocking cap off. So I'm just adding some powder foundation on top of the stocking cap. So I use this fake tan spray to tint my lace because it just makes it a lot more easier and it makes your lace look a lot better, or to me anyways. And a lot of people use rubbing alcohol to clean off the makeup from their forehead, but I have super sensitive skin, so I just use my toner. And now I'm going in with my Skin Protect by Bow Hold. I'm just testing out the wig to see how it lays and where I want it to sit. We're gonna go ahead and further mold down the stocking cap, so don't worry if it's looking a bit crazy right now. Just trust the process, it will come together once everything is molded. Adjusting the bands in the back. So here I'm just parting out my ear tabs that I'm going to basically be cutting off. And I like to use the comb as like a guide, so I part the hair so I can see exactly where in the part I need to cut, so I don't end up cutting the actual hair. I'm cutting just the lace. using my comb to basically push the lace and the glue together. So the glue is not completely dry, but it's okay because obviously once we mold it down even further, it's going to be fine. Now that's done, I'm just putting some glue on the middle part, and I'm going to glue that bit down once it's dry. About 15 to 20 minutes, and I'm using a razor blade to cut the excess lace off. Guys, if you choose to use a razor blade, please be so careful. You see, I'm like taking my time here because you don't want to cut yourself with this. So I'm cleaning up the hairline with some toner again, and you can see where I made a little bit of a mistake. I didn't put enough glue there, so my baby hairs, my actual baby hairs started coming out of the stocking cap, which is super annoying, but I wasn't too fussed because I was going to make baby hairs out of the wig anyways. I wasn't going to wear it without any. That's what I'm saying, you're going to be super careful with the razor blade because cut a little bit too much there, and then obviously it wasn't enough glue, so the lace and the cap started to lift in that little corner, but it's easily covered up. And for some reason, I don't know why the lace is coming up quite ashy on camera, because literally when I say this was like one of my best lace ever, it was just so perfect. I'm going to use the hot comb to just kind of manipulate the baby hair so they lay downwards going towards my face. So when I lay that bit, they stay like that. And I'm just using some of my wax stick on the hairline of my hair. Well, now I'm using the got to be spray to lay down my lace front and mold it more. about this spray, once I've like basically finished laying my frontal and I spray it again, this spray just like makes the lace disappear. And I'm trying not to spray the baby hairs, I'm just trying to spray in between the part that I've created. And I'm just gonna go ahead and tie it down some more so it can melt even more. And this time I'm just gonna tie it down with, again, like I said, one of those stockings. Just because I don't need an elastic band this time. And I'm gonna let that be there for about 10 minutes and come back and do the baby hairs. While my lace is basically molding, I'm going to go ahead and style the rest of the hair. And to do that, I'm just literally using some water and some mousse. Because this is curly hair, guys, you don't want to put too much in it. I'm going to put a little bit of oil, but you don't want to put anything that's going to weigh it down, like, or make it super oily. So I'm just parting the frontal bit and going in between with some mousse. So now I'm adding some oil. What is it? I think it is. Of this curl activator cream I've got, or gel. To be honest, I don't know what it really is because it doesn't dry hard. Now I'm done molding down the frontal. Tie the front bits back and cut my baby hairs. And you want to cut this in like an up-down motion. You don't want to cut straight across. Now I'm just using a little bit of mousse and some got to be gel, the clear one, to do my baby hairs. I like to mix it because sometimes I feel like the gel can just make it look a bit too hard, but using the gel just helps me further mold down my lace front when I tie it down. So yeah, my camera died, guys, but this is how I think I'm gonna have to wet this bit. I think I almost got it. Like, if I ain't got it, I almost got it. Like, giving me body, you feel me? I'm joking, but that's it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. And yes, peace out.